Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make this sofa. So let's now start the video. So let's first go to rectangle tool. To this point, change it there and make a rectangle of 1100 and 900. So to push to select this, the value of 2. Now go to arc tool. Select this point and make an arc here like this. Again, make an arc here like this. Go to push to select this source, drag it here. Select this and drag it. Now double click this body, right click and make group. I'm gonna move to show this point, press control and place it at a distance of 2000 mm. Now go to rectangle tool, select this point, change the plane and make a rectangle of 750 mm to 50 mm. Now go to push pull tool, change the profile and drag it up to here. Now again go to push pull tool, select this profile and place it at a distance of 50 mm. Now double click this body, right click and make group. Now again go to rectangle tool, select this point and make a rectangle here like this. Go to push tool and give value of 280 mm. Now go to arc tool and make an arc here like this. Go to push tool, go to this profile, drag it to it. Double click this body, right click and make it. Now go to move tool, select this point, press control, and place it over here. Now again go to rectangle tool, select this point, change the plane and make a rectangle of 280, 1000. Now go to arc tool and make an arc here like this. Go to erase to undo this now. Now go to push tool, select the face and place it here. Now double click this body, right click and go to move to this point, press control and place it here. Now let's make foot for this sofa. For this go to circle tool and make a circle here at 60 mm. Go to push tool, select this point and zero distance of 150 mm. Now double click it, right click and make group. Go to move tool, select, select this point, press control, place it here. Again, select this point, press control and place it here. Again, select this point, press control and place it. Now that our sofa is ready, let's do texture tool. For this, go to materials, choose this texture and give it here. Now go to colors, select this black color and give it here. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like and share it. And also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos.